Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our third foundation review. I've already done the other two from my little Walmart haul of foundations that I bought the other day. So this is the last one, and it's the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in the color Sandy Beige. So we're going to be trying this out today. I hope I like it. And I almost have a feeling that I got the wrong color because the Revlon anti-aging one was a warm beige and this is a sandy beige, and I've got a feeling it's going to be a little bit too light, just like I thought the Maybelline Fit Me was a bit too light too, and it too was a sandy beige. So I think I found my color. I think it's warm beige. So first of all, I want to check the consistency, so I'm going to put a little bit on my finger just to see what the consistency is like. The Revlon one had a really nice thick consistency, so to me that means more full coverage, because to me the thicker it is, the more coverage it gets in just one application. To me, the runnier that it is, the more sheer that it is, so you would need to build up if you want full coverage. Unless you have perfect skin, then sheer is the way to go. So I'm going to dab a little bit on my finger. And yep, this is a nice consistency, just like the Revlon anti-aging one. So I'm going to put it on my brush and put a little bit more on my brush as well. Okay, so I've got one little pump here. Alright, so let's try it on, what side of my face should I try first? Let's try it on this side. I think I usually always start with this side. So let's put some on, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Of course, I'll do the same thing that I always do. I'll do half the face and then the other, so you can see what the coverage is like. Okay, so now that I have it on my face, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it in with. Okay, so this is the coverage so far with one coat. Let me get a little close so you can see. There's this side versus this side. Now, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's what you would consider it an airbrush finish? I'm not sure. Actually, I think I do like it. I do like the finish that it has on my face. It does look kind of smooth. You can't see my pores very much, so that's nice. So yeah, I think if I had the right color, I would give it 2 thumbs up. So I'm still going to give it 2 thumbs up because I think the only thing that's lacking is that it's a little bit light for my face. So I might put some a little lower down. But other than that, I like it better than the Maybelline Fit Me. And I really thought that I was going to like the Maybelline Fit Me better because everyone was saying that it was a dupe for the MAC foundation. But I tend to like the Revlon and this one, the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. So I think this is what I like, and now I have to get the exact same color as this one and then compare the two again, and maybe I'll like them equally. So, because I kind of do right now. It kind of fills in my pores a little bit. What do you think? Alright, so next time I'm definitely getting it in the color warm beige. Alright, I'm going to go and finish the other half of my face. I'll be right back. Okay, so I thought I was going to go do it off camera, but I think I'll apply it on camera just so you can see what it looks like as I'm doing it. Boy, that light's really making me look really washed out, isn't it? I swear, I'm not that light. In person, the camera is making it look a lot lighter than what I actually am. Alright, so there's the full face with the foundation. I know I look a little ghostly right now. I'll be back with a full face of makeup. Okay, I'm back with my full face of makeup on. So this is it. This is what the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse looks like. I don't know why I'm not having a hard time saying it now. I was having such a hard time saying it earlier. And it is, I think one shade lighter. I got a sandy beige and I should have gotten a warm beige like I said earlier. So you can see a difference in that, but I think I made it work well enough. And the light is really bright, so I'm not really this light as I appear on camera. In person it looks a lot better. It looks more, it matches my skin tone a lot more than what it appears on camera. So I like it. I'm gonna give it 2 Glama thumbs up. That's what I think. Alright, you guys, let me know what you think down below. Let me know which foundation you might want me to do a review on next. I think I'm going to start a new series on here until I find the perfect foundation. I think I'm going to do Foundation Fridays. So maybe every Friday I'll do a different review on a different foundation just until I find the perfect holy grail foundation. If I ever find it, you'll know about it on Foundation Friday. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves, and don't forget to love everyone you come in contact with. You can make a difference if you just treat everybody in your circle of the world as best as you can. So if all 71,000 of us that are in my crochet group do that, the world will be a better place. And if all 600 and something of us in this channel do it, the world will be an even better place. Alright guys, let me know down below what you might want to see next, and thank you once again for joining me here at Glam It Up with Glama. Bye, I love you. Mwah. Now it's not the time to give up chances. Oh, what's going on?